The power cord is connected at this location. Remove the plastic cover inside. Connect the power fuse at this location. Wire along the edge towards the tailgate. Reference video example route. Remove the plastic buckle here. Wire into the trim panel. Installing front button. Connecting OBD plug. Wire along the edge towards the tailgate. Towards the tailgate. Follow the gap towards the tailgate. The original car wire is also placed along the gap. Continue to the tailgate. Can take this piece apart. Wire down here to the tailgate. Install electric underset lock. Shackle horizontally aligned. Fix with screws. The wire remains smooth and cannot be severely bent, otherwise it cannot be used normally. Hold the motor in this position. Connect this plug to the control box. Install the snap spring. The spring pushes the hoop in the hole towards the exit. Installed on the original car bracket. The installation method is the same on the left and right sides. The installation method of the lower bracket is the same. The drive support rod is installed. Whole wire route. Tail lights need to be removed. There are 2 set screws in this position. There is also a set screw inside. Then the tail lights can be removed. The whole line goes into the car along the original car line. Removing the tail lights. The method on the left is the same as the right. The wires that drive the support enter the car from the outside. Then follow the original car route to the control box on the right. The control box is fixed in the upper position. Install tailgate close button. Connect the wires according to the